Okay, so this blue water is cold water from the tap, from the faucet. Okay, and this pink water, can you guess what it is?
Hot.
It's hot water from the faucet. That's right.
Can we drink
Okay,
some?
wait. So we're going to have one hot water on the bottom and one blue water on the bottom. Okay?
Okay.
And what Mama's going to do is I'm going to put the... Mama can do this. I'm going to put one hot water on top. Okay. And then I'm going to put
Do you know, can you put,
cold water
can
on
you
top of
see?
the hot water. Shh, just a second. Concentrate on this real fast. Okay. Now, what do you see happening right now?
This one's turning into purple and the other one's not turning into anything.
That sounds kind of crazy. Why would that happen? They're both just water.
But this one's on, the hot one's on the top.
Oops, it's okay. It's okay. So what was going on, Landon?
The first one, was the hot one was on the top of the blue one and they were not doing anything. It took longer to see purple, but now you see a little bit purple here. But this one's all purple already.
And what was on the bottom of this one?
Purple.
Well, no, it was the hot one on the bottom, right? It was the red. So what happened? Where did the red go?
It turned into purple.
They mixed together, the hot and the cold.
They mixed together.
The hot and the cold mixed together. And what happened over here with the blue one and the red one?
They were not doing anything for a while. Then they did something.
Well, it also spilled.
And they also spilled.
So why do you think it would do that?
Because the hot one's on the top of that one, and the cold one's on top of there.
Okay. So the hot was moving up, and the cold was moving down.
Yeah.
So the hot wanted to be on top, and the cold wanted to be on bottom. Is that why this one they mixed up? Because the hot didn't want to be on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
And the cold didn't want to be on the top. Is that crazy?
Yeah.
Well, it's because the hot water, just like hot air, is less dense than cold water. And when something's less dense, it wants to float. So the hot water was floating on top of the cold water. But when the hot water was on the bottom, it wanted to be floating on top of the cold water because it was less dense. So then they mixed together so that they could switch places.
But fill this back on it. Is it okay to pause on